Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to resize an image in Excel without losing quality. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to resize an image. At first, insert a image. Go to the insert menu. Select the picture option, then choose this device. Now I am select the image and click insert. Now we can see we insert a image. Now I am zoom out the spreadsheet. We can see here the image. Now we want to resize the image without losing quality. Resize the image. We can see we resize this easily. Otherwise you can resize manually. Go to the picture format menu and here we can see at the height and weight. You can resize this manually. Now we can see we resize an image in Excel without losing quality very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.